This one here, we are going to use Hydrex. And that one there, we are going to use a farmer's product to see whether it's going to work. Again, this product here, I was told about it, I'm testing it today, I haven't tried it before to see whether it's going to work.
Bottom bale, they're going to just use water. On this product, on this bale here, Marine 3. That bale, Hydrex. And that's the secret farmer's solution. Yeah, they started putting this out with plain water at the same time, and they're still battling to put the thing out. The other one with the marine is virtually out. Yeah, they started earlier with the Hydrex. It's out. The farmer's one is still burning.
It cost us 226 rand for a bottle like this. That one there cost us, it was 300 mils, huh?
Yeah.
300 mils, it was about 20 rand for that one, for the mix in that one. 200 rand.
About 20 minutes, 25 minutes after the test was done, the farmer's remedy obviously doesn't work. The bale has caught fire again. The Hydrex bale has also started burning again. And the smoke that you see is not from the bale that was, there you go, that was the bale that they fought with Marine 3 treated water. There's virtually no smoke coming out of there. And bear in mind, we also threw petrol and paraffin on that and lit it again, and then it was again extinguished. The bale that was just fought with plain water is burning quite vigorously. As can be seen here, the fire that was lit on the bales was quite some time ago, an hour plus ago. The one that was treated with a farmer's remedy, it's still burning. The one that was treated with Hydrex is still burning. And the one treated with Marine 3 is completely dead. The one they fought just with plain water is burning quite vigorously. Get a view of the bale that was treated with Marine 3 water. You can see there's nothing coming from it at all.